960 and 27,960 acted as a major resistance. Since on Friday the price broke this resistance, now it is acting as it can act as a major support for gold market. So having these supports as a major support, we expected gold to stay higher and tested this 28,200 and 28,220 as a first target of for gold. Let us see what happened yesterday. After the price opened around the zone, there was a huge gain. You can see straight away the market gained higher and tried to test this 28,200. It just tried to test this 28,200, and after that the market find great resistance around 28,200, and it found a resistance and it stayed lower. So you can see after 28,200 the market just gave a drop again, and these are the buying opportunities. Whenever the market, whenever there is a trend, whenever we pick a trend, whenever the price is dropping, we should make use of that opportunity and buy again. So you can find this how many tops it is forming around 28,200. So why we are following this major resistance is that whenever the price is going to break this resistance, it is going to act as a major support for gold market. That is the reason we are always concentrating. Whenever the price is also in uptrend, we are trying to focus on the what are the major resistance. We need to pick the major resistance. So after it consolidated here for a while, taking a resistance around 28,200 and 28,220. In the evening session, the market straight away, this resistance was broken, and you can see the market, there was a huge gain in a gold market, and it tested this 28,320, and it consolidated here for a while, and then again it stayed above this 28,320, and it closed around 28,360. This is the zone where gold closed yesterday. On comparing the yesterday's close with the yesterday's market opening, which is around 28,100, and it is a good gain in gold market. It closed higher, which indicates the gold is again yesterday the market was completely in the uptrend, and today we are expecting gold to open around 28,320 to 28,340. This is the zone where we are expecting gold to open, and again this 28,300 to 28,320 can act as a support for gold market. So we have to mention these supports because whenever the trend whenever we are clear with the trend, we should be also clear with what are the supports we can go for buying. 28,300 and 28,300 is going to be one support, and 28,260 is going to be an intermediate support for gold, and 28,200 and 28,220 can act as a major support for gold, and the bottom support can be 28,100 and 28,120. This is going to be the very bottom support for gold market, which can hold gold for buying. So now we can see the stop loss zone. See, you can see the stop loss zone from 28,320 to 28,120. This is a stop loss zone. Almost it is a 200 point stop loss zone. So this is the reason why we expect clients whoever is trading in gold to have a very sufficient margin for trading in gold, because whenever the price is in trend, the stop loss zone will keep on increasing, and today we are also expecting gold to stay higher, taking the support around 28,300 to 28,320, and also whatever support we have mentioned below, and reach a initial target of 28,400 to 28,420. These are the target we are expecting in gold, 28,400 to 28,420. And also we request client to go for an average on all the major supports and to book profit for the average lots at the regular interval, which means that if you are buying at 28,260, if the price is climbing till 28,320, for every 60 point gain you can book the profit, because whenever there is a huge gain, there is a tendency the market will consolidate, and then it will decide on trend, and then it will bounce back. So please, whenever you are averaging, maintain the strategy of booking profit for the average lots at a regular interval, which means if you are buying at 28,260, book profit at 28,320. If you are again averaging on 28,200, book your profit around 28,260. This is how you should average your profit for the book your profit for your average lots at regular interval. That can help you maximize your profit, and even if the price is dropping from 28,320, it is not going to be a straight away, it is not going to be a single candlestick, it will drop here. Again it will test it will take a support here, and it will going to move 60 points higher. This is a protection strategy, and if you follow this type of strategies, you can maximize your profit, and also you can minimize your losses. So today we are going to expect some buying in gold, and our targets are 28,400 to 28,420. Let us see what's going to happen in gold. Follow the support and resistance very carefully while trading in gold. Let us see what's going to happen today in our trading session. Thanks for watching our video and take care. Bye.